Today we made some panels for the main instrument panel. It's made of 3 mm white acrylic. It's a semi-transparent panel. And first of all we made some cutouts for the annunciators. We will 3D print them later. After that we drilled some holes for the bolts to hold them in place on the main instrument panel. And after that we made the 2D contour to cut out the whole part. Later we will use a primer first, and after that we will use a spray painter to paint it the right color. The color I will use is the RAW 7011 color. It's the same as the other parts of the main instrument panel. We will sand all the cutouts so there are no sharp pieces anymore. And we will also sand the surface so the primer will hold a lot better.